If you want to start an LLC in Florida today, this video will show you exactly how, step by step. No confusion, no unnecessary fees. Follow along and you can set up your LLC in less than 10 minutes. Also, sign up below if you'd like a free LLC formation checklist to make sure you're not forgetting anything. I'll show you where people waste time and money and how to avoid it. We'll also go over some important things that you need to do after setting up your LLC to avoid issues down the road. Let's get into it. Before you file anything, you need a business name. Something most people don't realize is that your LLC name is one of the most common reasons LLC filings get rejected. Your name must be unique in Florida and end in limited liability company or an abbreviation of it. The easiest way to check LLC name availability is by visiting this sunbiz.org page linked in the description below. Search for your business name to make sure it isn't already being used by another business in Florida. Pro tip, as soon as you choose a name, don't wait to get your website domain. We recommend heading over to spaceship.com and locking down the matching domain name. Spaceship is one of the lowest cost and most user-friendly options for buying your domain. And to make building your website as easy as possible, we've linked a video below walking you through how to create your website in a matter of minutes. You could form your LLC and launch your online presence on the same day. Before you can form your LLC, you need to select a registered agent. Every Florida LLC is required to have one. This is the person or business that receives legal and state documents on your behalf and forwards them to you. You can be your own registered agent if you live in Florida. However, since the name and address of your registered agent becomes public record, most people use a service to keep their address private and avoid missing important mail. Plus, it's a requirement to have someone present at the address during business hours in order to receive any legal documents. The next step is filing the Articles of Organization. This is what actually forms your LLC. You can file directly through the Florida Division of Corporations, or you can form your LLC through a formation service such as Northwest Registered Agent. They're who we recommend, and we've used them to create multiple LLCs. They file everything for you and catch any mistakes before submission. The process with them is quick and easy without unnecessary upsells. Northwest files your Articles of Organization, handles the registered agent requirement, protects your privacy, and makes sure nothing important slips through the cracks. Forming your LLC can feel stressful, but they're a straightforward way to form your LLC and get it done correctly. And if you're anything like me, you don't have the time or patience to do it all by yourself. Let me walk you through exactly how to form your LLC with Northwest. You can follow along by going to the Northwest link in the description below. First, select the state where you'd like to form your business. We'll select Florida from the drop-down menu. Then click Get Started. Your entity type and state are automatically filled in for you here. You'll see the state filing fee. For Florida, it's $125. Northwest charges $39 to form your LLC and serve as your registered agent for the first year. Some formation services say they create your LLC for free, but be careful because they usually end up charging you for things like expedited processing, an operating agreement, or an overpriced registered agent service. There's a good to know section down here at the bottom that answers common questions for every step of the process. If you ever have any other questions, you can call Northwest. You'll see their number right here, or fill out this form on their contact page. I give them a call whenever I have a question. I'm quickly connected with a knowledgeable person who can actually answer my question. Customer support is a big part of their brand. You can learn more about what they stand for on their manifesto page. Next, enter your unique LLC name. Then enter your business purpose. In Florida, you can use a generic business purpose or just write a few words like AI Automation Consulting. If you have an attorney and want them to receive a copy of legal notices, select yes and add their email. Otherwise, just leave it as no. Now you need to add your business's physical address and mailing address. Instead of listing your address, Northwest lets you use theirs. Like I've mentioned before, if you use your home address, it becomes a permanent record on the internet. Using Northwest address keeps your front door private. Next, choose your management type. Member managed is the most common. It means that the owner or owners, you, run the show. Select Manager Managed if you'll appoint someone to handle the daily operations. If at any point you want to learn more, you can click on the question icon. Now, Northwest wants to know if you'd like to list or omit your members or managers. If you omit, it can make it more difficult to open a business bank account, and when your first annual report is due, you'll end up listing the manager or managing member. So in most cases, I just recommend listing the members from the beginning. Enter your name for the member. Again, for the address, use the registered agent's address to protect your privacy. If there are additional members, click Add Member and add their information. Next are optional items. Everything is optional and a la carte. No forced bundles here. I recommend getting a tax ID, EIN. Northwest will do this for you for an additional $50, or you can totally do it on your own by following the instructions in this video that you'll find in the description. An EIN is like a social security number for your business. You need this to open a business bank account, hire employees, cleanly separate yourself from your business, and more. You can do this on your own through the IRS's website for free, but having Northwest do it ensures there are no errors in the filing. If you want to have your LLC taxed as an S Corp, you can have Northwest file Form 2553 with the IRS. This can help you save money on taxes, but you should only do it if you're earning somewhere in the range of $50,000 to $100,000 of profit per year. If you work from home, you'll want their premium mail service, so you're not listing your home address on any business documents, invoices, or emails. Again, helping you keep your information private. I wouldn't worry about a trademark filing now. If you're using your LLC name as your brand name, you don't need a DBA. A DBA, or doing business as, is only needed if your LLC name is different from the brand name you'll use publicly. Add what you want and click continue. Then enter your contact information, name, phone number, and address. This is for Northwest, and it won't be shared with the state. Don't overthink this. Next, create your account with an email and a password. Finally, fill in your payment information, hit submit, and you're done. The Florida filing fee is $125, no matter how you file. If you file online through the Florida Department of State's website, it'll take about 2 weeks to process. Another option is downloading this form from their website, filling it out, then mailing it with a check to the Department of State. But this will take a couple days longer than filing online. When filing with Northwest, they'll immediately file your formation documents with the state. Some other formation services can take up to 2 weeks to process, then submit the documents to the state, slowing down the process of you getting your LLC. Once approved and your LLC has officially been formed, you'll receive your information documents from the state, or Northwest will add the scanned copies to your account. Once your LLC has been formed, we recommend getting your employer identification number, or EIN. If you're a single member LLC, this isn't a requirement, but we recommend it so that you can keep your business and personal finances completely separate. Your EIN allows you to open a business bank account and hire employees. You can get it for free from the IRS's website in just a few minutes, or Northwest can handle it during your LLC formation. Next is your operating agreement. Florida doesn't legally require you to have an operating agreement, but you should still have one. This document explains who owns the LLC, how decisions are made, helps minimize conflicts, and also helps maintain your personal liability protection. Banks may ask for it, accountants may ask for it, and if there's ever a dispute, this document protects you. Even if you're a single member LLC, this matters. Northwest provides simple operating agreement templates, so you're not trying to figure this out on your own. Even if you don't use Northwest to form your LLC, their templates are free to download on their website. You can find them linked down below. Now let's talk about licenses and permits. Forming an LLC does not automatically mean you're allowed to operate your business. Depending on what you do and where you're located, you may need state licenses, county licenses, city licenses, or industry-specific permits. This part is based on your business type and your location, so you need to check local and state requirements. As a starting point, you can ask your favorite AI tool if you need any licenses or permits to operate your business type in whatever city, county, or state you're based in. After you get your EIN, we recommend that you open a business bank account. This will help you keep your business and personal finances separate. It keeps your accounting cleaner, makes your taxes easier, and helps protect your personal assets if anything happens legally. To open an account, you just need to provide your bank either online or in branch with your Florida Articles of Organization, your EIN confirmation letter, a government-issued photo ID, and your operating agreement. We recommend contacting your bank of choice beforehand to make sure you have on hand all necessary documentation. The requirements can change from bank to bank. To avoid account minimums, monthly fees, and other fees, I recommend avoiding traditional banks and using an online bank like Bluevine or American Express. They offer accounts with no monthly fees, and you can earn interest on your checking account balance. Linked below are in-depth reviews of our favorite business bank accounts and a video walking you through how to open a business bank account. You should learn to get your finances in order from day one. You don't need to hire an accountant, but I would at least start tracking your income and expenses with an online accounting tool such as QuickBooks, Wave, Doola, or FreshBooks. After you start earning some revenue and your expenses start to grow, it might make sense to look into a service like Doola's Business in a Box, where you'll work with a dedicated bookkeeper. If you want to hire a bookkeeper right from the start, you could even have Doola form your LLC. If business accounting is something new for you, I've linked a few videos below that'll help you better understand income, expenses, write-offs, taxes, and how to manage your finances properly from the start, instead of trying to fix mistakes later on. If you sell taxable goods or services, you'll need to register with the Florida Department of Revenue. This step is required for sales tax collection and compliance, and it's something you don't want to skip. Additionally, Florida requires an LLC annual report every year, and the deadline is May 1st. You must file your annual report every year, starting the year after your LLC is formed, or it may result in your LLC being dissolved. The cost for the filing is $138.75 and must be submitted online through the Florida Division of Corporations website. If you miss it, you'll pay a $400 late fee, so put it on your calendar and don't miss it. Northwest can also do this for you for $100 per submission, so you don't miss the deadline or end up paying penalties that you could have avoided. Starting an LLC in Florida doesn't have to be complicated. If you want the easiest way to get started, you can find the Northwest registered agent link down below. If you use our link, we may earn a commission at no cost to you. It's a great way to support the channel. We also have this free course that goes over everything you need to know when starting a new business. If you have any questions or need additional guidance, feel free to comment below or message us. Now, to sidestep common mistakes new business owners fall into, watch this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.